Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download a YouTube playlist. First things first, open up the Google Chrome web browser. This method works best in Chrome, so make sure you have it installed. Next, navigate to youtube.com. If you haven't already signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once signed in, search for any playlist that interests you. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type keywords related to the content you want, be it music tutorials or courses. After finding your desired playlist, click on it to open it. To download an entire YouTube playlist, look for 3 small dots located within the playlist window. These dots typically represent additional options. Click on these dots and select Save Playlist to Library. Now that you've saved your playlist, locate these 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of YouTube's interface. This is known as the menu icon. Click on this icon and then select Playlists from the menu. Here you'll find all the playlists you've saved. Find the specific playlist you just saved. Depending on its content type, you may see options like View Full Playlist or View Full Course. Select View Full Course. Now that you're viewing the full contents of your selected playlist, look for a downward arrow button. Click this button, and it initiates downloading all videos contained within that particular playlist onto your device. And there you have it. The entire YouTube playlist is now downloading onto your desktop or laptop for offline viewing anytime without needing internet access. Yes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.